Introducing UltraPrint 12K, the highest resolution 3D printer on the market today. It's got this handy flip design that makes it super easy to use. And the UltraPrint can go super fast with a max printing speed of 200 millimeters per hour. UltraPrint comes in two sizes, the 10.1-inch version and the 16-inch version. And it doesn't need any extra parts or assembly. The XY pixel is just 19 by 24 microns. This is all thanks to its 12K max resolution and this cool ball screw and dual rail design that makes sure every detail of your model is just right. It also allows for easy wireless file sharing through Wi-Fi and works well with a wide range of resin materials. To make sure your prints go smoothly, the UltraPrint has this automatic material feeding system that prevents any printing errors from happening. It also has a dual heating system and controls the resin temperature, keeping it stable while you're printing. This helps the resin adhere better and prevents it from coming loose prematurely. Furthermore, it minimizes thermal stress and deformation throughout the printing process, ensuring consistent stability in the shape and size of the printed model. This allows for a unified parameter for printing, regardless of the season. UltraPrint also includes a built-in air purification system, creating a safe and healthy printing environment by purifying odors emitted during the 3D printing process. After printing, you can simply press a button and it automatically retrieves leftover materials, eliminating the need for manual resin removal, allowing you to work hands-free. Moreover, UltraPrint integrates both printing and curing functions, enhancing both time and cost efficiency. This is the UltraPrint 12K, turning your creative ideas into reality by making big and incredibly realistic models.